Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to fix Tradingview lagging problem. First of all, open the Tradingview app on your device, then sign up for your account. I have already signed up. Close unnecessary tabs in Chrome. If you have multiple tabs open in your Chrome browser, keep only the Tradingview tab open. This can significantly improve the performance and speed of your charts. Next, go to Chrome Settings and turn off hardware acceleration. Then click the three dots in the top right corner. After that, go to the Settings option and click on the System option on the left side. Turn off the Use Hardware Acceleration when available option. This can help your charts run more smoothly. Switch your browser. If you're still experiencing lag, try using a different browser instead of Chrome. You can use alternatives like Firefox Opera or Microsoft Edge. These browsers often use less RAM and can run Tradingview more efficiently. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.